you struggling to keep your customers engaged? In this video, I'll show you how to boost engagement using automated SMS follow-ups in GoHighLevel for better results. Let's get started. On the GoHighLevel dashboard, head over to the Automation section. This is where all your workflows are created and managed. Next, we'll create a new workflow to set up our automated SMS follow-ups. Click on Create Workflow and choose a blank template to start from scratch. Here, you can customize the workflow to include SMS messages, conditions, and delays between messages. This ensures that your leads receive timely follow-ups automatically. Now, add a trigger based on lead activity, such as Automated SMS. Next, add the actual SMS follow-up. Drag the Send SMS action into the workflow. Here, you can type the message you want to send. Personalize it with the lead's name by using dynamic fields like Contact.FirstName to make it more engaging. Let's set when the SMS will go out. Add a delay between messages. For example, a follow-up SMS one day after the lead fills out your form. Once your SMS follow-ups are set up, always test the workflow to ensure everything works smoothly. If everything looks good, go ahead and activate the workflow. Ready to boost your engagement with automated SMS follow-ups? Sign up for your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel now. And don't forget to schedule your kickoff call. All the links you need are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.